क्या आप भी किसी अपने सपने मेरे तुम्हारे टीम 11 पे टीम बना रहे हो और बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे हो? हमारे साथ खेलोगे? हाउस पे खेलो लेजेंड्स के साथ, हमें हराओ और जीतो डबल कैश। लॉग ऑन टू houseit.com and win real cash.
I'm joined by the hero of the Brisbane Test, Shardul Thakur. If anyone watched that particular innings, India 186 for A6, Australia could have well run away with that match. Walk in Shardul Thakur. That first shot of six was a statement, and thereafter, what we saw was something astounding. That partnership changed everything for India. In the second innings, again, David Warner and Marcus Harris off to a great start. Shardul Thakur coming back, that one wicket, and then the second four. And finally, that one moment when he took that last catch, the way he celebrated for Mohammad Siraj told me there is a team here. Everyone was backing each other. Shardul, many congratulations on what you've achieved. But let me take you back a little bit. That West Indies test match, injury, you went out. It's been a tough journey. How fulfilling is Brisbane?
Yes, I mean, see, injuries are part and parcel of the game. Anyone can suffer an injury. And I remember before that injury, I played a lot of cricket. Like, I played for almost 5 to 6 years of non-stop cricket, and I didn't have a single injury. And unfortunately, my first major injury, it came in a test match. So it was disheartening. But at the same point, as a player, you need to accept your injuries, because as I said, they are part and parcel of the game. You can't keep cribbing about it. Oh, I got injured, what should I do now? The fact that you have got injured, the very next day process starts, that you get fit again, you prepare for the next match whenever you will play, maybe after 3 months, 4 hours, provided you get fit. So the moment I got injured, my journey to get fit, or journey to play the next available match, started then and there itself. I spoke to a lot of people, I spoke to seniors as well, I spoke to coaches. Everyone suggested the same thing, like, you just forget like what happened. It's going to happen, it's bound to happen at some point in your career. So it's better that you start your exercises, whatever it's needed to be done, you do it, and just get on with the game.
So you did that, and now fast forward to Brisbane. I mean, good things happen to good people. Firstly, I will come back to the bowling, but that innings of yours, please ask any photographer who took that photograph of that cover drive, frame it and put it on your wall, huh? Because मुझे बताओ 186 पे आप आए, 6 विकेट डाउन, इंडिया वाज एक्चुअली इन रियल ट्रबल. अगर आप आउट हो जाते उसके बाद नवदीप सिराज, सो बैटिंग ज्यादा था नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं था. प्रेशर था क्या, क्या प्लानिंग था आप और वॉशिंगटन का उस पार्टनरशिप के बारे में? प्लीज, योर फ्लोर इज योर्स, आप मुझे बताइए.
Actually, I'm really humbled by everyone's gestures. Like, everyone's, appreciating my shots. I mean, everyone in the world, like especially the cover drive you mentioned. I never thought that it would come out so well, and they would appreciate it so much. So I'm actually getting shy. Whenever someone talks about it. But yes, when I went into bat, the situation was difficult. We were six down at that point of time. Washington had played few deliveries, so I asked him. The first question was like, what's happening in the pitch? Is it difficult to play, or it's just that pressure which got to us and our wickets fell down? So it's like, I don't know about that, but I guess if you spend some time, situation is easing out. So the immediate plan was to play as many deliveries as possible and kill the time, because we had seen that their bowlers had played 4 games in a row.
Correct.
The same set of bowlers had also played in the IPL, or that in the England series. So they were playing some kind of cricket through 3 months. So playing 4 test matches in a row, it's never easy. And in such a high pressure game, that fourth game, deciding game of the series, it was like a final. And when you bowl a good number of overs, you can also get tired. So the whole idea was to spend time in there, to kill the time, bat as much as possible. If both of us could have batted through the day, it would have been brilliant. So the mindset or the planning was just to kill the time.
But then kill the time, first shot 656. Bhai, time you were killing Australia as well.
Well, that first shot just came out of nowhere. I mean, I wasn't, you know, preparing to play that shot, but back of the mind, I was ready that he could bowl me a bouncer. And we had seen in previous matches, as soon as our tail starts, Australian bowlers start to bounce us. So back of the mind, there was, he could bowl me a bouncer, and I just reacted to the ball. I didn't plan to hit him for a six or a boundary. As I said, the whole idea was to keep playing there. But yeah, whatever I play, like even if I defend, I subconsciously I was thinking, okay, I should middle everything. So maybe it was a good outcome of a better mindset, you can say.
And the 50, I mean, dancing down the track, was that a statement, or was that, I mean, you didn't plan, you got the chance, you sort of stepped out and took it?
I was defending a lot against Nathan Lyon, and at some point he was going to flight me. Earlier he was bowling nice flat and away from me, so I couldn't score runs of him. He had three fielders at the back on the leg side, so couldn't slog him as well. But the whole idea was to keep moving my feet, like step out, sometimes go back, use my feet well against him, so that I give myself the best chance to negotiate his bowling. And he was bowling well. uh, so around that period, I mean, seriously, I did not plan to hit him for a six, but I just tried to step him out. And as soon as I stepped out, I felt that ball was in the slot, and I had few deliveries. I had played few deliveries earlier as well, so you know, better I should go with the shot and complete my 50, or just send him out of the park.
Okay, and now coming to the second innings, Shardul, Australia had gotten off to a real flyer on that particular day. They were going at 6 and over of the first 6 overs, if I remember right, 36 runs of the first six. Then you came in to bowl, and immediately sort of there was discipline. You exerted pressure, picked up wickets. How challenging was that? Because had Australia run away in the second innings, it was game gone, because David Warner was going very fast. So was Marcus Harris. He had taken some runs of Nattu. So tell me about that second innings bowling effort.
We were expecting them to come hard at us, and they did so. And like you said, they got a really good start. And the day was ended. We had bowled 6 overs. Then next day we came in fresh. Even then they started hitting. So from their end, plan was clear to score runs quickly, to build a partnership, and to set a big target. But at that point of time, uh, as a bowler, I felt that if I take a wicket here, maybe the new batsman who comes in won't play at that the same run rate what Marcus Harris and
Warner.
Warner was playing. So the whole idea was to find that one ball, where any one of them would get out. And if I remember my spell, I had bowled few deliveries to Marcus Harris, and everything was around good length area. And maybe I thought it's time to bowl him a bouncer, and I just tried. He got out, and from that point of time, all the bowlers in our team, they were hopeful. They got energetic. They got excited, and game started changing a bit again.
True. Because the moment those two wickets fell, and then India actually got four with Matthew Wade, 1, 2, 3, 4. Manas got out, Wade got out. So immediately you guys were able to exert control, which for me was so important. Shardul, the other very significant thing, and that sort of tells me, I mentioned at the start, when you caught Josh Hazelwood at third man and Siraj picked up five, you were also on four, you could have got your fiver. The way you celebrated was so nice. The two people complimenting, you backing him up, and then the two of you walked out together, the team leading the two of you guys out, with celebrating the two heroes. Tell me about that. That is perhaps the best thing about this team.
I will specially answer this in Hindi.
प्लीज बोलिए. मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, सो मैं माफी मांग लेता हूँ. आप बताइए.
हिंदी में आंसर करेंगे. लोग देख रहे थे काफी कि दोनों के 4-4 विकेट हुए. कहीं ना कहीं उनको लग रहा था कि हम दोनों 5 विकेट चेस कर रहे हैं. जब जब भी मैं बॉलिंग डालता था मैं सोच रहा था यही बात कि अगर मेरे 5 विकेट आए तो ये टीम के लिए रहेंगे, बट अंदर ही अंदर आई वॉज रियली विशिंग कि सिराज को 5 विकेट मिल जाए, क्योंकि उसके लिए काफी इमोशनल टाइम था। जब हम लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया पहुंचे, ब्लैक टाउन में हमारा कैंप चल रहा था, उसके फादर काफी बीमार थे, हॉस्पिटलाइज थे, एंड ही वाज फाइटिंग फॉर हिज लाइफ। और कुछ ही दिनों में न्यूज आया कि उसके डैड का देहांत हो गया, वो गुजर गए। और वो सीरीज उसके लिए काफी इमोशनल था, घर भी वापस नहीं जा पाए। वो वनडे और T20 के पार्ट नहीं थे, तो साइड बाय साइड प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, मैचेस भी स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहे थे। तो आपको नहीं पता होगा, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस टाइम सिर्फ 2 या 3 घंटे का होता है, तो उसके बाद पूरा दिन रूम में
अकेला।
बैठना पड़ता उनको। तो एक अकेलापन भी था कहीं ना कहीं, तो एक काफी इमोशनल सीरीज था उसके लिए। और जब मेरे पास कैच आया, आई वॉज जस्ट प्रेइंग टू द गॉड कि ये कैच छूटना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि वो टाइम पे बारिश वगैरह भी हुई थी ग्राउंड पे और बॉल गीला हो गया था। तो आई वॉज जस्ट प्रेइंग कि ये कैच मुझे कैसे भी करके पकड़ना है, क्योंकि सिराज का 5 विकेट हो जाएगा। और यू नो हिज फादर ऑल्सो रियली वांटेड कि वो इंडिया के लिए खेले। वो हमें सिराज यही बात बता रहा था, तो वो भी ऊपर से देख रहे होंगे, उनको काफी खुश हो जाएंगे। तो जब उसको 5 विकेट मिले तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट, आई मीन अंदर से मैंने बहुत एक्साइटेड फील किया। फर्स्ट 5 विकेट हॉल था उसके लिए। और थोड़ा एक ड्रामेटिक एंड था थोड़ा इनिंग्स के लिए, तो मैं काफी खुश था उसके लिए।
ये आपने जो कहा ना अभी शार्दुल, देखो, you are younger to me. All I will say is good things happen to good people. What you've just said, you will get many 5 wicket hauls in test matches for sure. But there is so much more to sport than 5 wickets and 4 wickets and win or loss. It is about respect. It is about confidence. It is about treating people with kindness and affection and support. And that's exactly what you've done. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. This moves us. I mean, moves the country. Now, Shardul, that moment, आप बैटिंग करने के लिए आए, मे बी यू वर गोइंग फॉर दैट फाइनल हिट, मैच ओवर, आप, बट जब मैच खत्म हुआ, यू गाइज हैड स्क्रिप्टेड हिस्ट्री, और फिर वो फ्लैग लेके आप चल रहे थे ऑल ओवर ब्रिस्बेन एट द गैबा, आपने इंडिया को जिता दिया था। डिस्क्राइब कीजिए प्लीज, हिंदी में करिए, इंग्लिश में करिए, जिसमें मर्जी करिए, बट करिए।
बहुत ही एक ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट था वो, जब हम मैच जीते। किसने फिनिश किया, कैसे फिनिश किया, इट डजंट मैटर, आई मीन इट डजंट मैटर। ऑल दैट मैटर्स इज कि हमने वो मैच जीता। वो मैच गैबा में जीता, जहाँ पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया 32 years में हारा नहीं था कभी भी। आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, लास्ट टाइम दे लॉस्ट इन गैबा वाज अगेंस्ट वेस्ट इंडीज,
वेस्ट
व्हेन दे
इंडीज,
हैड
विवियन रिचर्ड्स।
a really good fast bowling attack, a really good batting lineup. I mean, against the best, one of the best West Indian team, वो हारे थे गैबा में। उसके बाद हमारे साथ हारे। और जैसे ये सीरीज में हमने देखा काफी इंजरीज हुए। विराट कोहली भी पैटर्निटी लीव पे घर पे थे, और उसके बाद हमारे इंजरीज भी काफी हुए। तो ऑलमोस्ट एक सेकंड लाइनअप, थर्ड लाइनअप का टीम था। बॉलिंग लाइनअप में भी ईशांत शर्मा नहीं थे, फिर मोहम्मद शामी इंजर्ड हो गए, उमेश यादव इंजर्ड हो गए, तो हमारा फिर अश्विन भी इंजर्ड हो गया लास्ट मैच में गैबा में। ही कुडंट गेट फिट इन द टाइम। तो जितने भी बॉलर्स थे सारे इनएक्सपीरियंस थे वो बॉलिंग अटैक को लेके। फिर बैटिंग में भी शुभमन गिल वाज अ डेब्यूटेंट इन दिस सीरीज। Mayank also has played few number of games. He's not played a lot. तो एक्सपीरियंस काफी कम था ये टेस्ट मैच में। और इतना इनएक्सपीरियंस टीम होते हुए भी हमने उनको गैबा में हराया। और मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली सीरीज जीता, 2-1 जीता। जबकि हम फर्स्ट गेम काफी बुरी तरह से हारे थे, 36 ऑल आउट हो गया था, सबने ऑलमोस्ट राइट ऑफ कर दिया था इंडियन टीम को, क्योंकि विराट भी वापस जा रहे थे। तो सबने कहा था कि इंडियन टीम तो अभी 4-0 हार सकती है।
एब्सोल्युटली।
बट टू कम बैक फ्रॉम देयर, मेलबर्न टेस्ट जीते, जहाँ पे अजिंक्य ने बहुत ही अच्छा बैटिंग किया, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इनिंग्स इज एवर प्लेड। फिर थर्ड गेम हमने ड्रॉ किया, सिडनी गेम। इवन इवन दैट ड्रॉ, इट वाज लाइक अ विन फॉर अस।
या
एंड देन गैबा में तो हमने सबने देखा कि एक हिस्ट्री क्रिएट हुआ। फिर वो मूवमेंट को सोक इन करना एक बहुत डिफिकल्ट था, तो हम बस एंजॉय कर रहे थे। और वहां पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी हमारे काफी इंडियन सपोर्टर्स आए हुए थे। तो आफ्टर द गेम एक हमारा भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनता है कि हम उनको एक राउंड मार के थैंक यू बोले। so in that convoy, मुझे भी flag मिला हाथ में लेने के लिए, तो वो एक इमोशनल मोमेंट हो गया था कि आई एम लिफ्टिंग द इंडियन फ्लैग, बिकॉज all we have done in the life is salute our Indian flag, sing the national anthem on 26 Jan, or before a test match, or on 15th August. But वहां पे खुद ग्राउंड पे रह के फिर इंडिया का फ्लैग हाथ में लेना, एंड to thank all our supporters, everyone watching in India on the TV, एंड फिर वो पिक्चराइज भी होना, तो एक वो भी एक इमोशनल मोमेंट था. बट यस, एंड ऑफ द डे जो सबसे बड़ी खुशी थी वो थी सीरीज जीतना, 2-1 जीतना, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया को सही टाइम पे उनके घर में जाके जितने लोग बात कर रहे थे उन सबको हमने चुप किया, और वी मेड आवर कंट्रीज नेम, we just set it high, our country's name,
It is
everyone was writing of India. तो वो that for me, that is one of the best thing कि हमने हमारा कंट्री का नाम काफी आगे लेके गए.
एंड इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग कि आप और मैं आज बात कर रहे हैं, आज रिपब्लिक डे है, आज भी आपने
Yes.
फ्लैग होइस्ट करके आए हो. आई मीन
Yes.
नाउ पीपल विल आर कॉलिंग you to hoist the flag, so that's what you've achieved and I'm extremely proud that you've achieved that. But शार्दुल, अभी तो सब कोई कह रहे हैं आप स्विंग कर सकते हो, बॉल को दोनों तरफ हिला सकते हो, आपका बैटिंग भी है. इंग्लैंड में हम 5 टेस्ट सीरीज खेलेंगे, समर में वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल भी शायद हम खेलेंगे, बिकॉज ये इंग्लैंड सीरीज अगर अच्छा गया तो. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट क्रिकेट लेफ्ट फॉर यू. आगे की तरफ थोड़ा लास्ट कपल ऑफ सवाल. Now that you are an established cricketer in test matches also, white ball में तो आपने हमें बहुत मैचेस जिताया है, but how are you looking at the next 6 months, 7 months, because there is a lot of important cricket coming?
Yes, if you see the calendar, we are playing back-to-back cricket, and there's World Test Championship coming up. फिर end of the year T20 World Cup भी आ रहा है, तो it's a mixture of both. I mean, red ball cricket भी है काफी ज्यादा, white ball cricket भी है, तो as a player काफी challenging रहेगा how you are going to switch between white ball and red ball cricket. Now, since it's a good time to play 4 tests against England. We have just coming from Australia series, we have won that. तो वहां से आके अभी इंग्लैंड के साथ खेलेंगे जब, तब हमारा भी कॉन्फिडेंस हाई रहेगा. एंड देन अगेन यू हैव टू स्विच in the white ball cricket. You'll be playing one days and T20s, and then heading on to the IPL. Then we would be going to Sri Lanka if I'm not wrong. तो काफी क्रिकेट है, तो इसमें एज अ प्लेयर चैलेंजेस रहेंगे कि आपको फिट रहना है, because you're playing for the country. Whenever you're asked to play the game, you have to be ready, you have to be on your toes. तो फिट रहना एक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज रहेगा, एंड विद दैट काइंड ऑफ फिटनेस you have to perform, and whenever you perform, you make sure that all your contributions, they are contributing to your team's win. क्योंकि हम जीतेंगे, जितना मैचेस जीतेंगे उतनी हमारी रैंकिंग बढ़ेंगी, उतनी हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ेगा. जितना हम डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन से भी मैचेस जीतेंगे, तो it's a sort of preparation to handle your high pressure games.
True.
So if you are playing that WTC in England, वो एक गेम है, तो वो भी एक हाई प्रेशर गेम रहेगा. देन एंड ऑफ द ईयर T20 वर्ल्ड कप में भी लड़के खेलेंगे, वहां पे भी हाई प्रेशर गेम्स होगा. तो whichever games we are playing, we will try and win. जो भी सिचुएशन हो, doesn't matter, because all the experience will, whatever we experience in these upcoming games will matter when we play that World Test Championship final, or end of the year T20 World Cup.
Okay. All I will say is, from that West Indies game where you sort of got injured to Brisbane, life has come a full circle, and maybe the journey will get completed when you all will lift that T20 World Cup or the World Test Championship, or even both, because Indian cricket is in great hands. You guys are doing superbly well. I know you've got a flight to catch to go to Chennai to join the camp. So the last question for you, Shardul, when you came back to Palghar, home, describe that.
Yeah, it was a crazy feeling. There were a lot of people who wanted to celebrate, who wanted me to just sit in the car, and they were asking me that we'll take you around the whole Palghar. But I asked them that, okay, let's stay low profile at this point of time, because we also need to take care of our health. We need to maintain the social distance now. I cannot say no to everyone, so I had to meet a few people. But you know, as soon as I entered in my area, these guys were waiting with firecrackers. They were waiting with those malas. They had come up with cakes and all to celebrate at home. And you know, coming back home after 5 months, it's great to see my parents. It's a different feeling, because in the lockdown, I was with them for about 5 and 6 months, and then I had to leave. Coming back after 5 or 6 months of long period, I have never stayed away from home this long. The biggest tour I have stayed was about 3.5 months, and this was completely a different time. Coming back after 5 months, seeing my parents, you know, it was a mixture of, you know, emotions and excitement, I can say.
And among the many people who asked for your time, I was one, and you again very kindly gave that to me. So I appreciate that. All I will say is I wish you all the very best. England series going forward. But what you've achieved, you have actually etched yourself in the history of Indian cricket in golden words. So be proud of what you've done. Again, to have that tricolor, very few will be able to do. So that picture postcard should be behind you, where we sit framed and celebrated all
I'll
the
soon
time.
frame it. Yes.
Yes, absolutely. And my hand is up. मुझे भी एक sign करके देना भाई मेरा museum के लिए. On that note, thank you very much, Shardul. Thank you very much for speaking to me. Extremely proud of what you've achieved. Travel safe,
Thank you.
play well.